Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add a photo to frame in Canva. So first of all you will open up the canva.com, and then from here you will basically make a new design here. So I will just click on create a design, and then I will just select any design here. So I will just tap on dog here, or I can just basically Facebook post landscape and create a blank template here. And once the template page is loaded up, so what you're gonna have to do now, if you want to put any image in the frame here, what you're gonna have to do here on the left hand side, you can see all of these tabs here, and you will click on elements tab here. Okay, and then here you will basically you will see the option of here frames. Okay, so we will just go to the right side and check basically we have the frame or not, or we can just search here for frames. So you can just either search for shapes or search for frames. So here we have frames, so just click on the frames here and it will just give you the frames for images that you can use. So let's suppose if you want to use the image in a circular frame, just click on it and it will be dragged here. You can basically increase its size like this one, and now to basically input the image inside of the frame here. Okay, what you're gonna have to do here, that you will basically upload any image from your PC, or you can just go to the photos here, the stock images. Okay, and you can just basically put any image here. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to put let's suppose this image here, click on it, and then this image will be placed in the frame like this one. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.